Hi, everyone. Before we get started, we want to let you know that this episode covers some sensitive subjects, such as mental health and depression in the workplace. If you're going through a difficult time right now, or if you know someone struggling with depression, we hope this episode will help you navigate these tough conversations at work and in your personal life. If you're ever experiencing suicidal thoughts, please reach out to your support system or call 1-800-273-8255, where you'll be connected with a specialist from the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline.
I think the best way to instill culture comes from values and creating like a very, very strong value system. Have you instituted a value system? What is yours currently? And would you recommend any ways for teams to create a value system in order to affect culture in a very positive way?
One thing I'm really trying to push, at least internally and externally, is authenticity. What I've really been working on is showing up and speaking my truth, no matter how uncomfortable that is. And I think that's been really reflected in some of the content that I put out recently. I often joke, every company that says, their values are transparency or, truth or something like that, it's always the opposite. I loved your answer when you came on my show about it, where, like a lot of these values, they should just be who you are, how you behave anyways. And I really love the ones that you put forward, like progression versus perfection, grit before prestige.
It can't be one of those things where it's like, obviously, transparency, because what am I going to choose? Dishonesty? No, like that doesn't help me. I think that values should be rooted in helping and enabling people make very difficult decisions. When you ask them to choose from two very, very good options, that's when values come out. That's when culture truly comes out. The way that I perceive the way that you talk about transparency, honesty, is like honesty with who you are to other people that care about you as well.
It's as simple as if someone asks you, like, how are you today? Like 99% of people will say, I'm good, or I'm okay, or I'm fine. That it's that honesty and transparency and vulnerability and courage to say, I'm really struggling today. I'm anxious about COVID-19. I'm really struggling today. I'm feeling suicidal. I'm really struggling today. My kids are, we're having a hard time with homeschooling or whatever. And I think that right there opens up these conversations that we need to have. And it takes that strength and that courage to actually say those things.